Nurse practitioner Dr. Olivia Young here today to talk with you about part two of our series on why take nutraceuticals. Today's emphasis is on the physiology of nutrient imbalances. Nutrient imbalances may stem from nutrient deficiencies or nutrient overloads. Either type can lead to chemical imbalance, and these chemical imbalances can disrupt vital metabolic and catabolic processes of the body. Now, the body performs over 80 billion chemical reactions per second. That is 80 billion chemical reactions per second. Even so, unless it is overwhelmed by genetic or epigenetic forces, the body is expert at keeping itself in chemical balance, but only if it has the nutrients it needs to initiate and sustain its metabolic and catabolic processes. This state of flux in which the body strives to keep itself in chemical balance is called homeostasis. Note also that all the chemical reactions require water to function correctly. And this is why, other than oxygen, water is our most important nutrient. In short, water is the medium within which all human life at the cellular level maintains itself. Without adequate amounts of water, normal chemical reactions and body processes go awry. But deficits in vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, etc., and a host of other micronutrient nutraceuticals are also detrimental to maintenance of homeostasis. In fact, the triage theory developed by Dr. Bruce Ames, a biochemist, from his over 40 years of clinical research, uh, argues that recognizing and remedying nutrient imbalances provides the fundamental foundation upon which we can facilitate physical health, mental health, and longevity. Dr. Ames argues that there are at least 30 essential micronutrients required by the human body. Historically, evolutionary adaptation processes come into play when the body is deprived of needed substances. In these deprivation states, the body triages or prioritizes distribution of the substance it does have to ensure short term survival. The body uses this rob Peter to pay Paul triage process as long as there are shortages of needed substances. The body ruthlessly triages for short term survival, even though it causes detrimental consequences over the long term. Triage theory postulates that this same evolutionary process applies to shortages of any of those 30 micronutrients we mentioned earlier. And recently, one of Dr. Ames' colleagues tested triage theory as applied to vitamin K deficiency and selenium deficiency. You can read about that at www.bruceames.org triage.pdf. But what she found was strong evidence supporting the theory's postulations. Now, Dr. Ames argues further that there's this very strong relationship between aging, longevity, and nutrient deficiencies. And he goes through these arguments in an interview with Rhonda Patrick, his protege. And you can see that interview. It's fascinating and very informative at www.youtube.com, watch, etc., etc. Needless to say, triage theory has probably even more powerful implications for the brain and mental health because the brain has our body's highest need for nutrients because it has the highest metabolic rate. And you can see Rhonda Patrick discuss this at youtube.com. I will put all three of these links on below this video, so you can just click on them if you want to watch. To learn more about Nutras, check out my website at www.mindbodyworks.us. I offer quick, live, personalized consultations via HIPAA-compliant chat and email for a fee, but I also provide loads of free information in support of your self-health care management effort. Happy, healthier living. Thanks for watching.